Hey YouTube, it's EgoTech here. In this video, I will tell you how you can upload your video on YouTube. So first of all, open YouTube on your browser and go to your channel. Here, this is my gaming channel. On this channel, I will upload my gameplay video and will tell you how you can upload your video on your channel. This is the button, create a video or post. Click on this. A new page will open. From here, select your file which you want to upload. I want to upload this video. Select the video. It will take some time to upload. So there are something which you have to fulfill before uploading video. First of all is title. You have to write a title according to your video. I have written on Word file. This is my title. Now you have to write description. Description is optional, but writing description is a good approach while uploading a video. So I also have written the description. Let's copy the description and paste here. Now we have to upload thumbnail. Click on thumbnail. Documents. This is my thumbnail. After that, you have to select no, it's not made for kids. If you are making content for kids, then you have to select yes, it's made for kids. Otherwise, you have to select second option. Go to age restriction. Select this no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18. Only if you are posting any content which is for adults, then you have to select this option. I am selecting this in my case. More option. Tags. You have to write tags according to your video. Like I am uploading a video of gameplay and it is a trolling video, so I will write tags according to my video, like trolling in PUBG mobile, etc. Now select the category. I have selected gaming because I am uploading the gameplay video. Now name the game PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile 2018. Okay. Now click on next. Now click on next. I will unlist the video because I have to set end screen at the end of video. So I'm unlisting it. If you want to direct public, you can click on public. When your uploading will finish, your video will be public to your viewers, to YouTube and to your subscribers. In my case, I'm unlisting this video and save. Now it may take some time to upload video. The speed of uploading a video depends on your internet speed and size of your video. Now video is uploaded. Click on close. Now you will see and my visibility is unlisted, so click on this button. A new window will open. Now see, my visibility is unlisted and I have option end screen. Click on this. Here you can set your end screen. This element will help you in placing any of your old videos after finishing your current video, and you can place your subscribe button too. Now click on save. And now you click on this public button and click on this done. Now click on save. Now your video is successfully uploaded to YouTube and your subscribers will get the notifications of your video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video.